Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to share with you my orange chicken recipe. Let's go. Okay, I have a pot of rice with some chicken stock going on the back burner just to have it ready. And now we need to make our batter. So we are going in with 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, and 1 cup of water to start with. We might need more as we mix. I'm just going to kind of mix this up to get everything incorporated. And then we'll go in with another cup of water now that all the powder is kind of wet, and get this mixed through. I'm also going to add just a pinch of salt to our batter, and this is going to be really watery, and that's okay. It just needs to coat the chicken. Now we are going to add canola oil to our wok, and a lot of it because we have a lot of chicken. We want it to get kind of deep, and we'll let that get heated first. Alright, now that my rice is boiling, I'm going to turn the heat off and just let it stay covered on the burner while I cook. So my oil is heating up here. I don't think it's quite ready yet. We'll just do a little test. Oh yeah, it might be ready. Okay, so how we're going to do this is we are going to dip our chicken and coat it in our batter. And then just drop it in. It's gonna be messy, but it'll be worth it, I promise. We don't want to overcrowd the pan, so we'll do it in batches. I think that's probably good for now. I'm just going to kind of break up the chunks of chicken. The batter kind of makes them stick together. If you want to drop them in one at a time, that actually would help a lot. Alright, I'm going to pull a piece of chicken out and check the temperature. It should be at 165. And we are about 2 degrees off. So we'll give it another 30 seconds. And it should be good to go. We don't want to overdo our chicken. We are there, so we're going to drain the oil off and get our chicken out. And just set it to the side. Okay, for the sauce, we're going to go ahead and add a tablespoon or so, probably 2 tablespoons of oil into our skillet that we just wiped out. Okay, first I'm going to fry up some sweet onions, and then about a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh frozen ginger. I'll add just a little pinch of salt to get the onions sweating. I really want to get these translucent. To our onions, we're going to add about a tablespoon of garlic. And before the garlic burns, we're going to add in a 1.5 cups of orange juice. And then a nice big spoonful of orange marmalade. So like probably about 2 tablespoons if you're heaping it up. Now at this point you could add soy sauce. I ran out of soy sauce, so I'm going to use teriyaki sauce. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of that in there as well. And 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. And then about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. These are the last ones from my garden this summer. I'm also going to add in a 1/4 cup of sugar, and if you don't have the orange marmalade, just add a 1/2 cup of sugar. And then to my measuring cup, I'm going to do a heaping tablespoon of cornstarch and just a little bit more orange juice to dissolve the cornstarch. You can definitely do this with the original orange juice, I just forgot. So we're going to dissolve this cornstarch. This is what's going to help thicken our sauce. And see, it's already getting thicker. Oh, I love it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn our heat down and get ready to plate up. Still fluffy with individual grains. So I'm gonna add rice to a bowl. And then I'm gonna add our chicken back into our sauce. And we'll just give it a nice stir. Be careful so you don't take all the batter off. And then we'll just pour our chicken over our rice. And I like mine a little soupier because I like the rice to absorb the sauce. You could definitely top with green onion and make it look a lot prettier, but I don't have any right now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.